The soybeans long short trades today were the highlight. Very fast trades right at the open. Grains day trader 3 took the short trade, got out on a trailing stop loss. Once there's a certain amount of profit, there is a tight trailing stop loss, which works good in this market because soybeans is pretty volatile. And yesterday was a losing trade. Today was plus 675 on grains day trader 3, soybeans day trader 3. And then we had SR counter trend 2 get in at the low after that one exited. Captured a long trade for plus 275. So these are just day trade algorithms, very short duration of holding. 3 winners in a row on SR counter trend soybeans, and you see this kind of a parabolic move breakout in soybeans. There was this big move here, sideways, and then a massive move higher. Wouldn't be surprised to see soybeans continue higher, as high as $20. And that is something to watch for in the potential inflationary environment that we're in. Again, soybeans is the highlight of the day. Narrow, choppy day as the markets wait for the Fed and as they wait for earnings. Here is the bond market. 30-year bonds sold off today. Didn't hear much about that. When that rolls over, that kind of weighs on the market. Give you some perspective. Here is the range. Let's look at the 60-minute bars and pull back into this trend line, though. So we'll see. Daily chart will give us even more perspective. And we've had a massive sell-off in bonds. It's bounced. Question is, will it roll over now? So that is the bond market analysis. Again, stock indexes are sideways. Tick kind of had a cap on the ticks. They didn't trade any higher than 528. Advanced decline line was pretty weak as well, minus 13, weak to flat. Again, FOMC tomorrow, earnings. So the market kind of paused today. VIX was around break even as well. Let's look at the other trading system signals on the day. As we said, soybeans were the highlight of the day. Here's some of the other trades. Adaptive moving average plus 200. You just see there's just not a lot of room for profit in here. The ranges are narrow, so it's not like you can capture a big trade unless you trade in and out and have a way to do that. We do have a strategy that does that. Tick count trend 2. And for whatever reason, I'm having issues on TradeStation 9. And it did not show those trades. I'll show you those on the server on TradeStation 10. So here it is on TradeStation 10. It did not show these trades in TradeStation 9.1. Plus 650 on the day, taking 4 trades. Nice trading in a choppy environment. Again, there's not a situation here where you can buy this market and ride a big trend higher. It just kind of chops sideways all day, and a strategy like this can do well in that environment. Let's go back to the research platform. AT 2019 minus 237.50. As you can see, just not a lot going on. 2 strategies in TradeStation 9 have signals. These 2 right here. ES2, VSD, ES minus 400. Took the long trade. And there were no other trades in this workspace. NQ, AT20, 20 plus 705. Nice trade there. Just not a lot of follow through to the downside. You see the propping. The market propped up, and that's one of the reasons why our tick count trend did so well, because the market sold off and then propped up the rest of the day. We talk about that all the time. If there's some selling early, very rarely does it follow through. They prop it up the rest of the day, and there wasn't much upside or downside today. Tick Pulse got a little bit of the profits on the short side, plus 180 stock index swing, plus 475, and a little bit of a short trade. No Cobras or gap continuations traded today. 60-minute breakout B was stopped out. Minus 1425, 60-minute breakout A plus 505, VSD long minus 395, VSD long short plus 755, and we did have this gap continuation. That's a carry. Okay, that did continue. Show trades from today minus 725 on this trade, and so yeah, the gap continuation 2019 did trade. The 2020 did not. The 2020 has an additional filter, so it doesn't take all the same trades. And then Viper 2008 and 2021, minus 335 on both of those. Crude oil, no trades, but a good rally here at the end of the day. Right at the close, crude oil closes at 2:30 Eastern Time, surged, and it's up 70 cents from, the 215 price. 15 minutes before it closes, up 70 cents. So inflationary pressures, natural gas is higher, inflationary pressures. RBOB, no trades on the day. Gold, we had no trades on the day in gold. Silver, no trades on the day. Euro, plus 31.25. Not a lot of trades in these markets. We did have these soybeans trades, and we did have the stock index trades, but the metals and energies were pretty quiet as far as our trading system signals. Exhaust and reverse, no trades. And these are our old and optional signals as well. You see Cobra Bonds taking that short trade there. This is a system we track. We don't trade. The performance isn't as good as we'd like it to be, but we track it and look to modify it. And let's see. So those are the trades. We track 118 signals every day. And these are the trades for April the 27th, 2021. There are 3 trading days left in the month. Overall, a good trading day in the trading systems portfolios. Again, we captured the trades on the tick count trend. Even though you don't see them here, we did capture them on the server. Have to refresh the data and see which one is correct. These are the ones we captured. And one of these is incorrect, and I'll have to go back and dig. Let me know if you're trading these strategies, what you saw on these two. And so capture these, capture the soybeans trade, and the 60-minute breakout NQ profit target. So good trading day overall, and those are the trades on the day.